Hi guys, 2 days ago I was trying to print this casing to fit some electronics and a battery, a big battery, and this thing is supposed to be pretty long. It's supposed to be at least twice the length of this thing, but what happened was that as you can guess, it actually toppled when I was printing it. There was support here that connects to the base. I did not use a raft, and it toppled when I was trying to fiddle with it while I was printing, which is a huge mistake. So we have to remember, not to be disturbing the print when it's still printing. What happened was that the print head actually caught onto this and yanked the entire print out, so it couldn't finish printing. And I realized that it probably needs some support here. You can see because this part there's no support. There was a support that came through here, but this part here there wasn't any support. So it didn't finish too well. There was I don't know if you can see. Yep. So you can see there are many portions here that should have been there should have been some support to help this part. So I changed the design a little bit, and I thought it will print alright. So what happened was that the second time I printed, I had some additional supports here, and for the behind as well. A little bit more support on the inside, and it did a little bit better. Again, in the night, I don't know what happened, but it's actually longer than the first one. It's probably about 60% completed, but still it toppled in the night, and I ended up with a lot of fried beehoon. Yep, this is not what we like to see, right, in the morning. So that was bad. And this time I finally realized that the base is simply not big enough for a long object. So remember, if you're printing something very long, like this one, it's supposed to be even longer than this, then you will need an even bigger base, because this base is really way too small to support the height. So I was figuring out why it toppled, and I realized that there are some marks here. I'm not sure if you can see it. See these marks here? It didn't finish well, and this is probably because of the vibration. As it's printing, as the print head prints the object, it will be vibrating, and if it's vibrating too much, you'll see these lines. But of course, seeing these lines is not a big problem still, if you can actually sand it down. But if it vibrates too much, it will yank the piece out of the base, and it will topple. Once it topples, you end up with a lot of fried beehoon, right? So I finally figured that something has to change, and I decided not to bring support, but to design my own support. And this is what I did in the end. So I added these parts here. I'll try and show it to you. I added these parts here, the triangle, to enlarge the base, and this part over here. Okay, so this object is actually pretty tall. And finally it finished printing today. Yay! Right? So there's some things broke here. The support actually broke, and I had to steady this part here with tape, because it was vibrating, it was printing. So I should have added support here, then it will print out nicely. So, but I'm okay with this. I can actually just take it away and use something else, and print something else to stick over here. So the important thing is that I got this case printed out, which is the difficult part. So if you look at this case, it's actually quite alright. I think I can use this. Alright. So I think the one-hour printer print bed is good in the sense that it does not stick to the print too well, but the downside is that you need a big support in order for the print to stick well to the bed as you're printing.